Welcome back to Sovereign Hall, and today I'm going to be sand casting, so we'll see how we get on. I've already pre-made the moulds, so in the greatest tradition is some I prepared earlier. Might have been a bit generous with that one, maybe a bit too generous, but just like that. Not too much smoke. Now, these are supposed to be football clubs, so I've 3D printed the moulds, and we'll see how I've actually got on. I think this one I've overfilled a bit too much there, a bit too generous. I think I'm going to have to cut that away. But let's have a quick look, see what we got. Well, that didn't work. Fail. I think that's more to do with me and my moulding. I did think it, because it's quite thin, the mould, I'm thinking it needed, I didn't think about this, to be perfectly honest. It's only now that I'm thinking to myself, I think maybe the mould, the actual mould itself needs to be just a tad thicker to give it a good chance of a pour. Yeah, look, we can see here what's happening is that the silver's just not getting into the mould, so I just need to make sure that the channel I create is a little bit bigger, because it isn't working. But hey ho, this is the whole point of learning. Maybe we'll have struck lucky on door number 3. I can't see it myself. If those two have come out like that, I'm guessing this one's going to be the same. Oh, well, I'm blowed. Well, it's still not perfect. It's not there, but let's just give it a chill and a quench. You know, have that quench. And we'll see what we get when we get the yield. Yeah, the profile I think is just too thin. But this is the whole point, you see. Nobody tells you stuff like this. You have to learn as you go. Right. Let's see how that looks. Well, now that's cold enough to hold. Let's just give that a quick wipe over. Well, I think we can basically see what it was supposed to be. Or maybe not. Right, I thought I'd try something different here. You know, like, I've just pushed some sand into a Yorkshire pudding tin, you know, like, and I just thought, why not? you know, we'll see how it comes out. I mean, it may be a good thing, it could be a bad thing, but you know, I'm just trying to try different things and see how we get on. So I'm just going to get my safety gear on, and then we'll give it a quick pour. Well, that didn't go quite as planned as I thought. I just need to get better at the actual pouring part. That's the bit I need to work on. Some of it's okay, like you can see already that this one's missed the bottom of the impression that I made in there. That one's got a little bit, I could probably trim that. Probably that one too, but we shall have to see. We shall have to see. I think it's time to let the furnace have a cool down. I know you can't run them continuously, but all things in equal, I know it's a learning game, but it's a hard learning game. Do you know, I've just been rabbiting on, and I didn't realise it does help if you push the record button on the video recorder. Anyway, as we saw earlier, when I made some with, yes, Mrs. H, I know, I'm going to need to buy you another one. But hey, those Yorkie puddings will never taste the same again. Anyway, the results are in. Some of these are proper shiny. I know I've been working on polishing them and burnishing them and what have you, but I'm really impressed actually. They've come out far better than I anticipated. It's interesting how you can see the difference between each one. You know, every one is slightly different. I'm guessing that's because of the recycled silver. Because remember, all of these are made from recycled 925. So it's not like we're putting in 999. Someone did say to me off camera that it's easier to pour 999 than it is to do 925, and they thought I was incredibly brave. More like stupid, but hey, the whole point of this is it's a learning exercise, and if I can do it, any of you can. But this one does, I do like this. Just because he's missing, you know, his jaw. Probably because he's got a glass jaw like AJ, but hey, you know. But obviously I wouldn't say that to his face. Love you really, AJ. Honest. Look, at the end of the day, I've stamped them all. They're all as what they should be. So it's not one of these that, I'm telling you, it's 999. No, it's not. It's 925. Recycled silver. And that's the best bit about it. It's a bit of upcycling. You know, this one I've antiqued. One of my mates said to me, I think you went a bit too far. I'm not too sure about that, but I mean, I think they look incredible myself. I'm really pleased with them. Christ, this one weighs a ton. Actually, just out of curiosity, have we got a set of scales? Oh, I'm sure we have. Bear with. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see. So I've just got a set of scales. So we'll put these on. OZT, tear that baby. Right, now this one is a lump. Oof. 3.57 troy ounces. So you've got 3.5 troy ounces in that one. Oh my, an even bigger lump. Nearly 4. Now these are a lot better. I mean, I did try to be a little bit more sensible with these ones. Yeah, that's more like it. 2.6. Although this one will be over 2, I reckon. Yeah. This one's 2.3. We're going down the scales now. Oh, 1.899. Dear, 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 dear. Someone's going to get a bargain tomorrow. And this one, 1.67. So that's not a bad little collection, actually. You know, like, I'm quite happy with that. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comments, because obviously, you know, I really enjoy the feedback. I'm personally really chuffed with what we've got here. I know there's masses of room for improvement, and I'm sure as I gain a bit of experience, you know, like that will improve. You know, I'm sure we're going to see some better results. Not saying I'm going to be anywhere near someone like Silverpunk, who's just an absolute legend in my book, but I do think I can do a lot better. So please like, subscribe, smash it out the park. I mean, because we're growing, we are growing, and as I say, I cannot thank you all enough, especially the help I've received from Stacker Social. The guys on there have been absolutely amazing. So if you're not a member of Stacker Social, please click the link, because it is a great community, very friendly, ever so helpful. Go check them out, you won't be disappointed. I'll speak to you all soon. Take care now. Bye for now.